Hey guys, N55 David here. Welcome to my channel. Doing one video here of hopefully many more. And what I got here is a Dorch Engineering high pressure fuel pump for the BMW N55 engine. So we're doing the unboxing. So here we are. Let's check this out. A couple of boxes. You see the Dorch Engineering logo on our website, dorchengineering.com. So if you guys need a fuel pump, definitely go check these guys out. They do really nice stuff. This pump's been in beta testing for a little bit now, and it looks like all the reviews are really good. No issues. Guys are making really good power, and it's plug and play, guys. This is a really nice setup. And I don't know if they're available right now. I think they may be back on back order. I think they may have sold out, but they had a really good price special, and I couldn't pass it up. So here we are. So we got a little bracket in there. Pull that out. Should mean it's for one of the fuel lines. And this looks like the base plate adapter for the pump to fit it to the OEM location. Nice billet CNC'd aluminum, anodized black, Dorch Engineering logo. Really nice piece. This is super light. I like that. You got your pigtail, some hardware and whatnot. And then the fuel lines. I'm assuming this is the probably the high pressure portion of the line, and this should be the, I don't know, one of these is the low pressure, one of these is the high pressure. I've never looked. I'm assuming this is the high pressure to go to the rail, and this comes off the fuel line coming out of the fuel tank. Really nice thing is unlike some of the other companies, this pump is a direct plug and play. Everything should plug right in. You don't need to do any creative stuff. You don't need to cut in the lines. You don't need to you don't do anything. Everything just works. And all you got to do is install it. And depending on who your tuner is, like if you use boot mode or MHD or whoever, all you got to do is when you flash your map, select your fuel pump. They all should have the Dorch Engineering pump maps now. That's all you got to do. It should start right up. No more fuel pump crashing. And here we are. Here's the fuel pump, Dorch Engineering again. That's quite a bit heavier than I anticipated. That's okay. And there she is. Dorch Engineering. And like I said, this is the stage 2. There's a gentleman I just seen today on the Boot Mode Facebook group who, in an M2 N55 motor, single turbo, upgraded turbo actually, he's got a big single turbo. He's making a little over 500 to the tire and more than 700 pound-feet of torque. That's amazing. No fuel pump issues. It's smooth. No crashes. Nothing. Not a single hiccup. So this pump does its job, and it's less expensive than was XDI. That for a while they were extremely pricey, and they just lowered their prices after this guys and Spool started coming out with their own pumps. So love competition drives pricing down for us, and that's a good thing, because we all know that BMW parts are very expensive, which is unfortunate. But this is cool stuff. Really excited for this. Got a 2015 335i, and I'm full bolt on, and I've pretty much maxed out. Other than adding meth and everything else, this is the next logical step. So really looking forward to it, guys. We're going to do a bunch of unboxings and some how-tos and some reviews. We're going to get some racing in. State of Michigan, there's a lot of stuff in the Detroit area. So if you think you got fast cars elsewhere, you haven't been here. All right, guys. If you want to see more videos like this and many, many more, please subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment down below, tell me how awful this is. Even if you hate me, that's fine too. So, thanks guys. Have a good night.